We revisit the foundational principles of ambient intelligence and augmented reality environments to discuss the perspective that AMI and AR feature the same philosophy and vision of computing, despite what may appear as two distinct areas of scientific investigation. Ambient intelligence is the vision of electronic environments that are sensitive and responsive to the presence of people, enabled by miniaturization, networks and communications, sensors, and artificial intelligence. A common metaphor for the intelligence services of AMI environments is that of light permeating space, which was employed by Brian Epstein during the 1998 Digital Living Room conference at Philips, where the concept of ambient intelligence was first introduced. Augmented reality brings another unique perspective of computing, where virtual content is brought closer to the user in the physical world, sharing the same physical space of the user. A technical definition from 1997 introduced by Azuma, which has stood the test of time, specifies that an AR system combines the real and the virtual, is interactive in real time, and registered in 3D. It would appear thus that AMI and AR are two distinct areas of scientific research with different visions, paths, and supporting technology. Newcomers to HCI interested in applying AMI and AR for prototyping new interactive computer systems would have little difficulty in seeing AMI and AR as conceptually distinct. In this paper, we revisit the foundational principles of AMI and AR towards the realization that the computing visions they describe overlap and complement each other. To this end, we introduce and provide arguments for several postulations. Postulation 1. The concept of an environment provides the mandatory substrate for any augmentation to take place and, consequently, is essential to the ontological existence of both AMI and AR. Postulation 2. Integration is a mandatory process for the existence of both AMI and AR, in which the physical environment is augmented with elements not native to that environment. Postulation 3. The integration process that augments the physical environment leads, for both AMI and AR, to the emergence of a specific form of media that meaningfully reflect the characteristics of the environment in which media are created, transmitted, and consumed. We capitalize on these postulations to propose several implications for the science and practice of human-computer interaction, in the form of infusion of concepts, knowledge, and technology from AMI to AR and vice versa, and integration of wearable and ambient devices towards new interactive experiences. Please see our paper for more details. Thank you for watching.